Brothers, let's be real, nobody sets out to make people dislike them. Yet, so many men unknowingly adopt habits that push others away without even realizing it. Why does it seem like people don't respect me or want to be around me? And today we're going to talk about the 7 habits that are guaranteed to make people dislike you. If you find yourself struggling with relationships, whether it's with friends, family, or colleagues, take a close look at these habits. You might be unknowingly sabotaging yourself. Let's break them down. 1. Constantly complaining. No one likes being around negativity or other people. It drains the energy of those around you. Complaining isn't just annoying, it makes you seem ungrateful and weak. Focus on finding solutions or simply keeping a positive mindset, not those who whine about them. We all know that guy who only talks about himself, never asks about others, and always finds a way to turn the conversation back to him. If you're constantly making everything about yourself, relationships are built on balance, give and take. Start showing genuine interest in others, listen more, and talk less about your own achievements. 3. Interrupting others only to be cut off mid-sentence. If you have a habit of interrupting people or talking over them, it shows that you're not respecting their voice. Let others finish what they have to say before you respond, and you will gain much more respect in conversations. 4. Being judgmental. Everyone has their own journey, struggles, and life experiences. When you constantly judge others, whether it's their choices, appearance, or actions, it makes you seem close-minded and intolerant. Try to understand where others are coming from, even if you don't agree with them. This will make you more approachable and likable. 5. Always needing to be right. There's nothing wrong with standing your ground, passionate about something, but if you have a habit of always needing to be right, people will start avoiding you. No one wants to argue with someone who can never admit when they're wrong. Will earn you far more respect than stubbornness ever will. 6. Gossiping. Talking behind people's backs might seem harmless, but it destroys trust. If you have a habit of gossiping, people will assume you're talking about them when they're not around too. Real men lift others up, not tear them down. 7. Being unreliable. If people can't count on you, they won't respect you. Consistency is key. Brothers, these 7 habits might seem small, but they can have a huge impact on how people perceive you. The good news, you have the power to change them. Become someone who others want to be around by being positive, respectful, and reliable. And don't forget to join our family by hitting that subscribe button. It's time to level up and leave these bad habits behind.